Okay, we all know number system is very crucial. We are going to do quick revision for our number system. First, classification of number. Divided into real number. Real number is further divided as a rational number and irrational number. Rational number are those numbers that can be represented by P by Q. Here P is any natural number 1 to infinity. Q must not be equal to 0. Now we have to know about the terminating this decimal. Terminating decimals. What is this? Like 0.27, 0.322, 0.311. This is what? Repeating decimal. For example, x is equal to 0.313131. This will continue up to infinity. Now if we multiply both sides by 100, multiply, what we get? 100x is equal to 31.3131 up to infinity. If we subtract these two equations, what we get? We get 99x is equal to 31 divided by, not divided by, means like this we get, because this part and this part will be subtracted, so we will get this. So x is equal to 31 by 99. So in this way we convert recurring decimal number into a fraction. Same way we can again convert 0, 2, 1, 7, 2, 1, 7 up to infinity into a fraction number. See, here this 3 digit is repeating again and again. So what we will do? We can represent this as 217 bar. Here whatever after decimal, whatever digit is repeating, we will put under a bar, or this can be written in fraction 217 by 999. Means whatever digit is repeating, we will put 9 corresponding to that digit. Okay. For example, a question will become, write P by Q form, that means fraction form में लिखना है, for 1.27 up to infinity. Now see, 1 plus 0.27. See, this means what? This can be written as 1 plus 0.27, 0.27 up to infinity. So here we have written in this form. Now what we'll do next? We remove the bar. To remove the bar, we know we will put 999. Now we will solve this missed fraction. Then we will get if we calculate this fraction, we know both are divisible by 3, so this will be, and it is also divisible by 9 also, so 9 and 9 3s are 27, so it will be 14 by 11. This will be our answer. Okay, so in this way we will proceed. The other you can practice in your home the questions like this: 0.35 2 5 2 5 2 up to infinity. Okay, I will solve this question. Here 3 is not repeating, but only 5 2 5 2 5 2 is repeating, so we will put bar on this number. Okay, now how to convert this into fraction? Let this x equal to 0.352 bar. Now to convert this, we will do like 352 minus 3, whatever the digit which have no bar, we will put that. After that, see, there is 2 digit we have bar, so we will put 99, and 1 digit where we don't have bar, so we will put 0. Okay, so in this way we will get 349 by 990. Okay, after calculating this, we will convert it in fraction. Similarly, we will try these questions like 0.12535353 up to infinity. Okay, if and other questions like 3.273 bar, how we will solve this question? See, this plus 0.273 bar, then again what we will do? 3 plus 273 minus, see, only we have 27, we have bar on only 1 digit, that is 3, so we will put 27 on, we have to subtract 27 from the whole 273, and then we have only 1 digit over which we have bar, so we put 19, then 2 digit which have no bar, we will put 20, then we will solve, we will get the answer. Similarly, you can solve the questions like this: find values of 297x where x is equal to 1.515151 up to infinity. Okay, one more questions. Write in PYQ form 0.6 plus 0.7 plus 0.47 bar. Solve these questions. Okay, we will try to solve as fast as possible. Okay, so in this lecture we will solve, we came to know about the real number that can be divided into 2 parts: rational and irrational. Then we came to know about terminating decimal, and then we came to know about recurring decimal. We will in next chapter we will see the more classification of number. Okay, thanks bro, bye.